Hi, I just wanted to give you a quick update on how things have been going with Growing Stars and my daughter. Since she started, we've seen huge improvement, not just in her grades, but in her confidence too. She actually increased 15% in her grades, but better than the number, it's the way she talks about school and how she feels more capable. What I really appreciate is how patient the tutors are and how they never rush her. They take the time to explain things in ways that really click for her. After every session, she gets feedback on how she's done and how she did. It really keeps us in the loop and helps us improve her at home too. Also, the managers also check in every now and then to make sure everything's going well. It's clear that they care, not just about results, but about the whole experience. Honestly, I'm really glad that we found Growing Stars and it's made a huge improvement.